Russian ammunition and fuel depots continue to explode across Ukraine. Of course, these are not spontaneous explosions, but operations of the Ukrainian armed forces, which experienced a renaissance with American Himars. Ukrainian strikes on a Russian ammunition depot in Novakhovka reportedly occurred again on Friday night, potentially taking out valuable Russian weapons and ammunition as the country's military faces increasing pressure from US-supplied Himars artillery systems. The Himars strike occurred in Russian-occupied Kherson. Video footage shared on Telegram on Friday night, apparently recorded on a cell phone, shows large explosions in the distance. Recorded at night, the blackness of the sky is briefly illuminated with an orange glow. Additional footage also shared on a Russian-language Telegram account showed the explosion in more detail. The 2-second-long clip shows smoke rising in the air, the aftermath of one strike, before another strike occurs, and creates another explosion. The moment of the explosion of ammunition in Novakhovka, the Telegram post accompanying the video reads. According to local reports, residents in nearby towns have been advised by authorities to move away from windows. Previous strikes were known to cause windows in nearby buildings to shatter and smash. It's not the first time that ammunition depots have been destroyed by Ukrainian troops using Western-supplied rocket systems like Himars. On July 12, at least 7 people were killed and more than 70 wounded when Ukrainian forces launched a missile strike in Novakhovka, targeting a Russian ammunition depot. Russian officials in the region confirmed that American Himars missiles destroyed warehouses in the area that contained saltpeter, a chemical used to make fertilizer and gunpowder. Ukraine followed up the strike with an additional attack a week later when an ammunition warehouse was destroyed in the same region. On July 18, video footage of a fresh strike on ammunition warehouses in the region circulated online, and Ukrainian officials confirmed the destruction of several pieces of Russian weaponry. According to the results of firing missions by our rocket and artillery units, the enemy lost 52 militants, rocket launchers, a howitzer Mstabi, a mortar, 7 units of armored and motor vehicles, and a warehouse with ammunition in Novakhovka, a statement from Ukrainian officials revealed. The strikes have Russia panicked too. On Monday, Russian President Vladimir Putin held a cabinet meeting to discuss the effectiveness of the Western-supplied long-range rocket systems. The same week, Russia's Ministry of Defense claimed that more than 100 American missiles destined to be used by Ukraine's Himars rocket systems were destroyed in Russian strikes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.